everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the brand ONERugged P10R, a true all-in-one industrial panel PC built for the fastest environment. If you work in industrial production workshops, industrial automation equipment, and CNC machine tools and monitoring system, this one is going to blow you away. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we have the P10R itself, protected with the thick foam. Here's the power adapter, hook assembly for easy mounting, Wi-Fi antenna, and option 4G antenna. Everything feels premium and rugged right out of the box. Wow, check out this 10.1-inch HD display, 800 by 1280 resolution, 700 nits brightness, and super responsive 10-point capacity top screen. The front panel is IP65 waterproof and dustproof, and it passed plus or minus 8 kV contact and plus or minus 50 kV air ESD testing. This thing is built like a tank, powered by the RK356A quad-core ARM A55 processor up to 2 GHz, running smooth Android 12. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5, and optional 4G LTE. Wide voltage inputs 12 to 24 volts and operating temperature from minus 20 degrees to 60 degrees. Perfect for extreme job sites. Look at these rich interfaces: dual USB 3, USB 2, HDMI 2, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 RS232, serial ports, micro SD, SIM slots, and even a mini PCIe expansion slot for extra modules or SSD. Super easy to integrate into any industrial setup. If you are looking for a tough industrial tablet or panel PC, drop a comment below with your industrial and I will reply with the best model suggestion.